Hi, I'm Chris from OPMC. We manage and maintain the official Aramex plugin for WooCommerce. This plugin lets you calculate shipping rates for your customers' orders using Aramex. Eliminate back and forth with your customer discussing possible shipping rates. With WooCommerce Aramex, you can calculate shipping rates for your customers' orders right on the checkout screen. Using rates provided by Aramex, a leading global provider of logistics and transportation solutions, WooCommerce Aramex helps to save you time when shipping your orders by calculating the shipping rates up front. Some of the key features include multiple parcel types offered by Aramex. We've got priority document, priority parcel, priority letter, deferred document, deferred parcel, ground document, and ground parcel. Rates are calculated using the pickup location provided. You can specify pickup open and closing times to avoid timing issues, and advanced custom box packing solution for creating custom box sizes. To get started, you need to buy this extension, download it and install it into your WooCommerce store, sign up for an Aramex account, enter your account information into the WooCommerce Aramex setup screen, set up your various box sizes if using custom or specific box sizes, and that's it. Sit back and enjoy. But if you're not sure if this plugin is suitable for you, WooCommerce offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you try it out and it's not suitable, you can get a refund quickly and easily. Not only that, but at OPMC we're constantly improving our plugins, so we're open to any ideas and improvements you may want to suggest. So if you have any, please get in touch with us.